Well, this is Eyewitness News at 5, and we are streaming live on CBSN Philly. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jessica Cartalia. First at 5 today, Pennsylvania officials are raising concerns about the accuracy of the coronavirus data coming from nursing homes. Natasha Brown is in Fairmount with the problems that cause for reopening. Natasha.
Well, good evening to you, Jessica. City health officials even admitting today that this is a difficult task, just keeping up with all the numbers here that are coming in from different labs, hospitals, and nursing home and long-term health care facilities. Meantime, all of this happening, them trying to get these numbers together in the midst of the governor about to reopen more counties here in the Commonwealth.
We have 980 new cases of COVID-19. This brings our statewide total to 65,392 Pennsylvanians.
As the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania continues to log more positive cases and deaths due to COVID-19, the accuracy of numbers as they relate to nursing homes and long-term care facilities continue to raise concerns. The Pennsylvania Department of Health released data on Tuesday, but reports show that in some city facilities, there were potential undercounts with some deaths and positive cases not being reported.
It's a lot more complicated than you might think to be able to come up with just a few numbers that we give here. We get data from many different sources.
Nursing home and long-term care facilities account for 54% of Philadelphia's coronavirus cases and deaths. Those living in those settings remain the most vulnerable population. Due to a technical glitch, state health officials say they were not able to update their system on Tuesday, creating a bit of a delay in case totals. Overall, city and state health officials are working to devise a better plan to work with nursing homes so that no death and no positive case gets unreported.
We're going to prioritize certain facilities that are significantly impacted and then be looking to test all of the patients and all of the staff throughout the state. The testing capacity is there to do that. We're going to be working with those facilities about how to obtain those specimens and whether they can obtain the specimens, whether they need help, and how we would be able to provide that. And all that is proceeding as we speak.
Now, of course, case counts and other metrics are being used in terms of allowing the state to figure out how to reopen counties as they have been doing. We are far from that point at this point, but we can tell you in talking to Governor Wolf earlier today during a press conference call that he tells us he will be announcing tomorrow that more counties will be going from the red to the yellow phase, some counties even heading into the green phase. In Fairmount, Natasha Brown, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Natasha, thank you. It's